Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. For the first time ever, gonna use my Westinghouse pressure washer, 3200 PSI, 2.5 gallons. Got the gas can out here. Got my oil can. Oil comes with it. Little water, kind of warm. Can't wait to use it. Let's see what it can do. Oil goes here, right there. That little dipstick. Got the tag on it. Gas goes here. This looks well built. I'm liking this already. How long have I had this guy? It's been sitting for a while. Okay, your air filter goes here. Shouldn't have to replace it. Haven't used it. But again, it'll be my first time. Your soap goes here. I don't think I'll use this to clean my car or anything. I don't think I'll use that feature. However, I bought soap for it just in case. Okay, here's the dipstick. You see a little oil. But there shouldn't be any or too much inside. This is for dummies like me. Okay, there's this big yellow tag on it. Oil has been drained for shipping, meaning they probably put oil in it to test it. There's no oil in it. Do not use it without it. It comes with a little funnel, okay, that you screw onto the oil bottle. Not a big deal, very easy. Once you screw the funnel on, you can add the oil. If you can walk and chew gum at the same time, you'll be fine. Just move this wand out the way so you can have access. Put it right in that hole and let it drink up all this oil, much needed oil. Please put oil in your pressure washer. If you've checked the oil level in your car before, this is the same concept, only smaller, and the dipstick is plastic. Put the dipstick all the way in the hole. Turn it all the way. I want you to get an accurate reading. I got to switch hands. Turn it all the way. Put it all the way in that hole, okay? Let's take it out and check the level. Okay, issue is if you're old like me, you won't be able to see this too well, all right? Don't like this part. Got to figure something out. What do you guys think? Be honest. Leave your comments below. I can't tell. Got the sun there, shade here. That's my problem. And I'm old. I already told you that. I should take it inside. What if I turn it this way? Will it make a difference? I don't know. We'll see. I figured it out. No big deal. No need to panic. By the way, I won't put this whole bottle in the pressure washer. Reason is, when I got my Brute lawnmower, you remember the Brute? I miss the Brute. I really do. When I got the Brute, I put too much oil in it. Oil spilled everywhere. I had to turn it over, drain it out. It was a big mess. I don't want a repeat of that. Don't worry, guys. I left about 1/16 of an inch worth of oil in the bottle. Cap is connected with a chain. I really like this. So I attached the water hose to the pressure washer. Easy, guys, easy. And what I'll do is just get all the air out the wand. This red lock keeps the trigger from moving. So until you move this red lock, you can't use the wand. Instead of squeezing the trigger like you normally would, press down on it just a bit, and then you can press down on that red lock. That way you'll be able to use the wand. I'm pulling the trigger, and as you can see, water's coming out a little bit, up, gushing a little bit, still coming out, trickling out, trickling out. Come on, get that air out. There we go. More water's coming out as the air is leaving the wand. This should be good to go. All right, let's turn it on, give it a go. Okay, big engine switch sign next to the switch. Let's put it in the on position. Okay, that wasn't hard. Let's come over here. Let's turn the gas on. Another picture. Love illustrations. All right, let's do the same thing. How about we turn the switch, turn it to the on position. Not bad at all. Engine is on, gas is on. So what I'll do is pull the cord, okay? I'll pull it once, something like that, and then I'll come and turn the choke on. I'll do that, and then we'll see. Here goes nothing. One. Got away from me. Hold it tight, guys. Hold it tight. Stronger than I thought. Hold it tight. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's turn that choke on. Choke switch. 1. It's on. Oh, yeah. Like what I see. Sounds great. Purrs like a kitten. Get this side view going. Oh, yeah. I love it. Next, I'll take my works blower. You know I got a works blower, guys. I'll take this and just blow away some dirt, debris, stuff like. I don't think I have to. This might be overkill, but I'll do it anyway. I got some trouble spots I'm concerned about, okay? Got this sprawling concrete. Look at that stain. I want to get that up. That, here, all these stains. And the pumpkin left behind right here. You have different nozzles. They're marked. I'll get the 20 degree, the green one. I think this will do, and it'll help me get those stains off the stoops. Did you see my inlet valve refrigerator repair video? It's something like this. Pull down on this ring first. A little stuck on this part, guys. I don't know if I twist this or push it up. I don't get it. It's not going down. Maybe this is how it goes. I don't know. We'll see. You know what the issue was? I got this phone in my hand and I'm trying to do this. Just push the ring down, then push the nozzle all the way down. It's not difficult at all. Batter up. Man, this thing is powerful. I can feel it. Jesus Christ, eating away at that stain. It's like a knife going through butter. The paint too. If I used another nozzle, I think I would strip this entire stoop. I'm not an expert, but if you guys were thinking about going into the pressure washer business, you might want to give this Westinghouse 3200 PSI a look. Look at it go. Wow. I like the results already. Much better than that other one I had. Knocked it out the park. You know, this Westinghouse 3200 2.5 gallon is a winner. Even got up some of the chip concrete. I wasn't even trying to do that. It looks a whole lot better. I might not even have to resurface. That's how good of a job it did. Look at the stoops, got that ring up. Man, this looks good. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.